Hello and welcome to VUAG Finance. This is episode 19 of building an investment portfolio from £0 to £100,000. It's been a relatively flat week for the stock market. The S&P 500 hasn't moved much across the past 7 days. If you're new to the channel, I only invest in one fund, and that is the Vanguard S&P500 accumulation fund, which is ticker code VUAG on the London Stock Exchange. I utilise the dollar cost averaging approach, whereby I invest £385 each and every week, and that equates to £20,000 per annum. As usual, I'll show you this week's purchase, and I'll also show you my portfolio as a whole, so let's get into it. This is the fund which I invest in, the Vanguard S&P 500 accumulation fund, and you can see that across the past week it's up 0.32%, so it's been relatively flat across the past 7 days. So both the S&P 500 and the dollar to pound exchange rate have been relatively consistent across the past 7 days, which has meant there's been very little movement in this fund. This is my purchase for the week, so I bought £385 worth of shares at a price of £91.02, and that bought me 4.229 shares, and that was executed yesterday on the 11th of August. So yeah, I think the price is slightly higher than what I bought at last week, but as I say, the fund's been relatively steady across the past week. There's been very little movement in the fund as a whole. This is my portfolio as a whole. So you can see I now own 87.3899 shares at an average price of £83.70. The total value is £7,967.34, and I'm in the green. I'm up £652.34, which represents a gain of 8.92%. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.